So we have already covered in our previous video how to create the absence type. So I'm going to create the absence quota step by step. So first of all, I will be making the setting as per US. Okay. So previously I have configured the absence as per India as a PSG group 40. Now I will be going to configure them as a what you can say US specific. Similarly, we will go to the same pass. We'll be grouping our personal sub areas for attendance and absences. Okay, I will execute this. So I have opened one US employee which is already in the system. You can find a random employee. Okay, so you can see the personal area allocated to this employee as 3000 and sub area 001. Okay, so I will see those personal sub areas and personal area combination in this table 3000 okay, so I will group this into 10 as per US model. Okay, same. Next I will go to the define absence types. I will open the previous absence which I have created. I will copy this one and set the PSE as 10. Okay, similarly we will go to the determine entry scan and time constraint class. We'll open the previous absence type which we have configured. We'll copy this and then we will, okay, here we are not getting option to copy it. So what we'll do, I will create the same exact replica of this. Okay, just let me open, see if I can, no. Okay, so I will open this one in display mode and then I will go to SM30 slash OSM30 to open this table. The view is b underscore 554 s underscore o. Go to maintain mode. Okay, you can see there will be 10,000. We'll open this. That is already there. Same settings are maintained because we have already copied the absence type from the v underscore t554s table. Okay, so we have copied 40,000 as 10,000. So everything is coming as per the previous absence type which we have configured. So now we will go to the absence quota creation part. Let me stop this video.